13, and I'm back from a small 3-4 day vacation. Okay, it was 4. And I did not get any videos out at all. I am terribly sorry. Hotel Wi-Fi is not good unless you're in that business kind of hotel. Now, so today's episode, if you see the title of the video, ooh, I like the snow effect. Like, it's not new, but they brought it back. I like it. Where you can sort of like makes it look like you're going into hyperspace. Anyhow, so the title of this video, or it's gonna be somewhat like this, is a quick and efficient power source for your ship. Now, this is very easy to do, and it's very easy to explain also. So, let's say you got this. Let's also get something that drains a whole lot of your... So, let's just take one. So, this little sucker here, this radar jammer, or you can use a cloak too. They drain pretty fast. Pretty fast. I believe everyone knows that. So, let me just demonstrate how quick it drains everything you own. So, see, hold on, let me just get tiny little, oh crap, I deleted. Okay, let's just get a whole line of power so I can demonstrate how quick this will go. Okay, so lining it up like this actually is not the most efficient. Do it again. Okay, let's just... I'm getting really annoyed. Okay, so see how we have all this power? Okay, it's not hooked up. Give me a second. Why is it not? Okay, there. Okay, so it does drain. It's draining pretty slow, but so that's not fastest. I see that now. But if we use this radar jammer, this thing's gonna go fast. I keep saying fast. Well, not considerably fast. I'm pretty sure they made it so it goes really slow. But before this update, you would see your bar just drop instantly. Well, let's see what happens. And you can use them at the same time. They do go pretty fast. So here's how you do it, and it relies on a pretty strange thing. So let's go. So we're getting 1 recharge, and power's just from the core, so that's that. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you go 5 out one way, 5 out the other. So you got this area, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, actually, no, you want 5 combined. So you should have this 5, 4, 4, which should total up to 13. Isn't that ironic? But, so this makes it so, so it basically, the game imagines that you have this whole area filled in of, like, power regen. So if I was to, so it says that, so, look, it's not even moving. Not, okay, well, when you use both, it moves. But that's actually pretty good, and that is my messaging about something I found on my vacation. This was a quick tutorial. It was not fast at all, but so it regens pretty fast. So